Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your business life easier. Today, we're diving into something that's been a headache for many: how to add PayPal fees to your invoices in 2025. If you're tired of those transaction fees cutting into your profits, stick around. This quick guide will have you sorted in no time. First off, let's quickly cover why this matters. PayPal charges a fee for every payment processed, typically around 2.9% plus a fixed amount depending on your location and transaction type. In 2025, with rising digital payments, it's crucial to pass this cost onto your clients so you don't end up subsidizing it yourself. This not only protects your bottom line but also ensures transparency in your billing. Now, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Calculate the exact fee. Log into your PayPal account and check the fee for the specific transaction. For example, if your invoice total is $100, the fee might be about $3.49. Double-check this based on current rates. Step 2. In your invoicing software, like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, or even a simple Google Sheet, add a new line item specifically for the PayPal fee. Label it clearly, something like PayPal processing fee, and enter the calculated amount. Make sure to describe it briefly so your client understands what it's for. Step 3. Adjust the total invoice amount accordingly. This might involve adding the fee as a separate charge or incorporating it into the subtotal. In 2025, many tools have automated options for this, so if you're using PayPal's integrated invoicing, look for the Add Fees button in the settings. A quick tip: always communicate this upfront with your clients. Mention it in your terms or email to avoid any surprises. And remember, laws vary by country, so ensure you're compliant with any regulations on fee disclosures. There you have it. That's how you add PayPal fees to your invoices and keep more money in your pocket. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more business hacks, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.